Okay guys, in today's video I am going to be showing you how I achieved this really cute, fun look, how I took one plain boot and turned it into something so super cute. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to get you a pair of shoes. Now, I have several pair of boots, but I wanted to do my Doc Martens, but unfortunately, because this is my first time doing this, I decided to get a pair of shoes that I didn't really care whether or not I messed them up. So I got these from Aldo's. They're really, really cute. Just a fun, stylish, cute pair of boots. And then the next thing that you're going to need, the next thing that you're going to need is this really pretty glittery shoestring. Now, I got these off of Amazon as well as the rhinestone paper. It was pretty much 2 in a pack for $14, which is like not bad at all. You can take and put these shoestrings in your hoodies. You can put them in your athletic pants like the joggers. So many different things that you can do with this. And then of course you're also going to need a pen and you're going to need a pair of scissors. So you're going to use the pen because you're going to want to draw on the back, just kind of map out what the tongue looks like. So we are going to first start off by, we're just going to take the laces out of the shoes, and that's going to help to expose the tongue. So once you get them, I will say this, because of the glue that they use to bind the rhinestones on, it is very sticky. So you do have to kind of be careful. As you guys can already see, like, it's starting to stick together. They do have a glue smell to them, which is, I mean, it's not abnormal. You're probably gonna get that. I just want to string it through that first hole just to see. And yes, they do go through. I was kind of worried for a second. All right, so now that you have the shoe kind of exposed, we're gonna go through and we want to pretty much just kind of map out what the tongue is gonna look like, because this is sticky. It's really extremely strong. I don't know if I want to peel this off now or later, but when you peel it off, this is pretty much what it looks like. It is super duper shiny. So I'm gonna fold this down, and I'm hoping, I feel like I'm gonna have enough for the tongue. So maybe I should do it this way. That way I can write on the back of it. So yeah, you're able to pretty much write on the back of this. So I'm gonna flip it over this way, and I'm just gonna trace out the back part of this. It's a little bit easier for me here because the light is so bright and it makes the paper see-through. because I honestly don't think I would be able to do this. Any other way. All right, and even if it is a little bit bigger and I don't have enough, this is gonna go over this part right here and cover. So it's really not going to be that big of a deal. So what I wanna do now is I'm gonna keep this plastic part on, and I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting out the tongue part. And I just love DIYs so much because sometimes you don't want to spend like a whole lot of money on something. All right. So this is the piece that I got for the tongue. I like the fact that it is self-adhesive. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this back down. All right. So when I stick it on, this part should be able to go in the front like that. And I did have some excess, but it's fine. This is what it looks like. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and so now that I pretty much have it stuck on there, guys, this is what it looks like. And if you have any excess, you can just basically cut that part off. So that it looks like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the sticky part off. And I'm like, they're so pretty, like already, look at that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the shoestrings. Guys, like honestly, I am obsessed. I am obsessed with this shoe. Like, look at it. It is so pretty, so much more beautiful than I could have imagined. I just feel like that is super cute. All right, so this is what we took this shoe from. It went from a regular, schmegula boot to it's got like some pizzazz to it. I just think this looks so much more classier. You can wear it with so many different things. It just,
I'm super impressed. And I might do my Doc Martens. Just means I'm probably gonna have to order another one of this part because I do have some additional shoestring. So I'm gonna finish the other shoe and then you guys can see pretty much the finished project. All right guys, so both pair are done. I am so super excited. Look how gorgeous they look. Like, it is insane that I was able to do this myself. Of course, it's not gonna be perfect at the top, and that's okay because nobody's really going to be looking at it. I did show you guys 2 different ways that you will be able to just kind of string them up. And of course, you can string them up the way that you want to. It doesn't have to be how I did it. But yeah, guys, that is it. That is all. Thank you so much for joining my video. If you decide to do this look, don't forget to tag me in it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful family and let me know what video you want to see next. That's it. That's all. Thank you for tuning in, sticking it out, thugging it out with me. Thank you for joining my first ever DIY. I am super excited. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.